name is Mike. I'm working here at Lube Express in South Brunswick, New Jersey. It's an oil change center. We do minor repairs, brakes, and tune-ups. But another thing we have that we're setting up is a vehicle maintenance training course. So what we do is basically go through your vehicle's owner's manual. I doubt anyone's actually read the whole 600 pages of this. So what I like to do is to help out with the community and help out all my customers. So I'm setting up a 30-minute class or so. Soon I'll set up online. Should be a link down here on the bottom. What I do is I'll go through the car from your tire pressure to your oil, to see how much coolant you need in the car, your wiper blades, your light, all the dashboard lights and stuff like that, to go over that. And then what we do is we'll do a whole run through and then make sure that you attain some type of information during the whole half an hour or so. For new drivers, anyone who's not familiar with the vehicle, kids, older people, doesn't really matter, college students, going on the road, coming back to understand what's going on with the car, except just putting gas in and turning it on. Just little stuff to help them out that people should understand, but I'll help out with this course. So like I said, it's about a half an hour class. It doesn't take too long. You bring your own vehicle. We'll do hands-on, so everyone checks their own stuff out with themselves so they understand their own vehicle a little better. Like I said, go on the link below, sign up. We'll put the class schedule up there soon, and then hope to see you there. And enjoy your summer and the rest of the fall.